guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so some of you guys requested the "Why you so obsessed with me" TikTok dance. So here it is. Thank you guys so much for the request, and thank you, Beatriz, for being the first one to request it. Alright, let's just jump right into it. Now I'm gonna try my best to make it as beginner friendly as possible, but remember, you can always change your YouTube speed setting if you wanna make it even slower. Okay, so the first move is super simple. It's just your hands are down here. You wanna bring them up to your chest, cross like that, and then you wanna say down again, hiya. So ninja, hiya, and ninja, hiya. You want to do 2 of those. Alright, so I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna do ninja, ninja. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and ninja, and ninja. Let's just try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and ninja, ninja. Alright, moving on to the next part. Now I'm gonna try to explain the arms first. So what you want to do is the arms are like this, 2 fists, and you want to say swing them to your left, and then back here to your right, and then one more time to your left. Yeah, so you want to do a prep where you go up before you swing them to your left, swing them to your right, and then one last time to the left. So it's and left, right, left. Let's just try that. I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna start. So 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, left, right, left. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and left, right, left. Okay, so that was just the arms. Now what you want to do at the same time is moving your hip from side to side. Now in order to do that, it's easier if you bend your knees. So you go a bit down a level, and then you say swing your hip from side to side. Yeah, and you want to start swinging it to your left, right, left. So they follow the arms, obviously. Whoop. Whoop. Alright, so let's just try to practice that part. So we're gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna say left, right, left. Yeah? So 5, 6, 7, 8, prep, left, right, left. Now it's not so important if you keep them together or maybe you want to spread them a bit. It's just important that you go a bit down the level. That makes it easier to move your hip from side to side. Yeah? Alright, so let's just practice one last time. So we're gonna go tap, tap, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, and tap, tap, tap. Alright, moving on to the next part. So we just did walk, walk, walk. From here, you want to say left arm, left elbow, bring it to your left side. Now the opposite, left goes down, right comes up to your right side. Let's just try that. So from here, you want to say left arm, left side, the opposite, right arm, right side. Now from here, you want to say left comes up and right goes down, up to your head. Notice how I'm leaning a bit to the front here. And then I'm going to say here to your forehead, back, here. Yeah, so it's just 2 of those. So it's left, then it's right, then it's 2 to your forehead. Let's try again. So from here, I'm gonna count to 8 and then we're gonna say left, right, left, left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left, right, and forehead, forehead. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go left and right and to left. Okay guys, let's take it from the tip top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap. It's ninja, ninja, hip, right, left. Now, left elbow, right elbow to your forehead. Alright, let's try that a bit slower. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Ninja, 1. Ninja, again. Get ready to say hip, left, right, left. Now, left elbow, right elbow to your hip. Let's try that again. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. 1 ninja, 2 ninja, hip left, right, left. Now say left elbow, switch opposite. Now to your hip. Alright, let's try one last time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. Ninja, ninja, hip, right, left. Now left elbow, right elbow to the hip. Alright, moving on to the next part. So we just did wah, wah, to the hip. From here, you want to say hush, and then you want to say point here, you, and you. So it's right, left. Yeah, so from here, we did hush, and then right, left. Let's just try that from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hush, right, left. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hush, right, left. Now from here, you want to bring your right arm up to your hip, and the arm goes to your hip, right side. Yeah, so right side, and then you want to bring it to the left side. So let's just roll out from here. Hush, point, point, and then you want to say right is coming up behind your hip, and left is saying hip, right side, and then left side. Okay, so let's just practice the transition from here to here. Yeah, that might be tricky. So from here, you're pointing to your left corner here. Now you want to say, bring it to your right side, right hip, and right arm is coming behind your head. So from here to here. Try to go from here to here. From here to here. Alright, so from here, here, now say opposite side. Let's just try that again. Oh, sorry. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, here. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, here. So let's try that again. From here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hush and point right, point left, and hip, and hip. Alright, now let's try the whole thing from the tip to the top. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap, it's ninja, ninja, hip, 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 and left elbow, right elbow, hip, hip. New part is hush, point, point, hip, hip. Alright, now let's try that a bit slower. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ninja, hi-ya, ninja, hi-ya. Get ready to say hip. Left, right, left, and left elbow, hi-ya. Right elbow here, and then to the head. Here, get ready to new part, hush, and then point, right corner, left corner, and then hip. Here, opposite. Okay, one last time, and then we're gonna move on. So, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go ninja, hi-ya, ninja, hi-ya. Say hip, left, right, left, left elbow, wah, right elbow, wah, and then to the hip. And new part, hush, and then point right, point left, and then say hip here, opposite. Okay, so we just did one. From here, the right arm drops, and the left one also drops when we prep, but then it's gonna come right back up behind our head, and then we're gonna lean a bit to our left side. So from here, you wanna say, and up. So before the right arm is up, now the left one is coming up. From here, we want to take our right up as well, behind our head. Yeah, so let's just try that part. Well, from here, 7, 8, we go switch here and right. One last time. From here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now switch right, and then the last thing you want to do is just from here the 8 figure up above your head. Yeah, I'm just gonna try to explain you. So when you look from above, your hands are doing like this. You want to bring your right behind your left, and then spread them out like this. Whoop, until you reach this point. Yeah, your hand is gonna go like this. Whoop. And then open, and another round. Now, if some of you are still struggling with this, then let me know, and then maybe I'll do a separate tutorial for it. Yeah? Anyway, so here, then from here you want to do this part, and this is actually the last move. Ta-da! So let's just go a bit back. We did here. Yeah, so starting from here, the new part is right goes down, left goes up, behind your head, and then the right comes up, whoop, and then you want to bring your arms up and go round and around. Let's just try that again. So, from here, so 5, 6, 7, 8, we go switch, left up, now, right up, and then arms around. Okay guys, now let's tie the whole thing together. I'm gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna take it slow. Okay, so quick recap, it's ninja, ninja, hip, 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 left elbow, right elbow, to the hip. Now, hush, on the corner, I say hip, hip, new part, it's switch, right, arms up. Alright, now let's try that a bit slower. So 5, 6, 7, 8, we go ninja, get ready for hips, left, right, left, now, left elbow, right elbow to the head, one, now, hush, and point, right corner, left corner, now hip part, whoop, opposite, now new part, left, up, right, up, and do the hands thing. Alright, now let me try to explain the timing of the music. So, she's singing, why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. And then here, lying that you sexing me when everybody knows. Alright, now let's try to do it to the music. I'm gonna try my best to sing the song, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Why you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the Why You So Obsessed With Me TikTok dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.